Have you ever experienced that frustration when hard work to grow small accounts just doesn't seem to give results? If you have tried several tactics and still haven't seen real progress, this video is for you guys. I'm sharing a strategy that's turning things around me, and it could do the same for you. I've got an exciting surprise lineup just for you. Stay with me until the end of the video. You won't want to miss it. Guys, today we're gonna use classic candles, time frames in 30 seconds. Alright? And indicators we're gonna use fractal Chaos Bands, shaft trend cycle, and vortex. Right? Let's all set up these indicators. First of all, foreign periods. Okay, the styles is up to you. I like these colors. Click and save. Vortex, 20 periods, and the style. 1, 1. Okay, we're not changing this. Click on save. Shaft trend cycle, we're gonna use, guys, 25 fast length, 55 slow length, 15 cycle length, and 3 and 3 to the last ones. The colors, true and thickness, white, blue, and pink. That's up to you if you want to change or configure the same as mine. Now we have all the indicators configured, guys. Okay, we are ready to go, and let's go to the first one. It's looking complicated, it looks strange, but let's not be afraid and start working. I explain every detail to you. For the first trade, I choose the amount $12 and expiration time 2 minutes, and I press green button to open trade for buy. Okay, it's my first signal, guys. I choose a random currency pair, and for this strategy you can use live currencies, commodities, stock, and cryptos, whatever you want. The first step is to wait for the moment when the candles break the fractal Chaos Band, as you can see right here. That's green candle that's passing through the blue line. Now I see the green candles began to rise up quickly. The candles cross the blue line for the channel, and that's the first signal to pay attention to. Along with this fact, the shaft trend cycle line should also rise up, with the white line just passing through the pink and the blue line, as you can see right here. This happened a few seconds ago, and there's the second detail that is needed for the current signal. Okay, the third step right now is the intersection of the two vortex lines. This is happening right now when you get almost a crossing between the blue and the pink one. There's another detail that we need, and as a result we have 3 signals and 3 indicators. All the 3 indicators give a signal at the same moment. Now it's a good entry point to open trade, as we perform it here. As you can see, everything sounds sync, looks very easy, but if you just repeat the instruction, your trade stacks will be 50-50. Sometimes you make profits and sometimes you can make a series of losses. Before, in order to achieve the best results, you need to know some secrets, and we'll tell you about them after the results of the first trade. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Okay, guys, look at that. $34 in my account, which means that I trade close with a profit and I'm still working. I want to show a lot of different situations today. Just stay with me. Keep in mind this is just one of the strategies that can completely change your path in these markets. To truly become a pro, mastering the profits strategy is essential. Don't worry, though I've got 2 exclusive pieces of content ready for you that will be crucial for growth. Stick around until the end with me. And so the second signal, I do everything the same, and now I trade for sale. Okay, using the red button. I use an expiration time of 2 minutes, but sometimes you can change the settings to 3 or 5 minutes if you want it. It depends on the activity of the market. So if you like to work on a different times, this is not a problem. Let's start with a very secret rule that will make your start better. In order for trades to be more stable, you need to look for impulse signals. It's necessary to look for this. This means that when candles break the channels, must happen quickly and strongly. If candles are slowly creeping on the side of the channels, it's not really good. If the better to find a signal when channels boundary is broken, 1, 2, maybe 3 candles. The stronger the momentum, better. Okay, the second trick is to check the chart recurrence for the last 20 minutes. It's necessary to take a look at it. If you see the channel often broken down some time ago and such signals could give you a profit. This is a good signal for the current, and most likely the following signals will always work correctly. But that does not guarantee your profits always. So just check every time to avoid face situations. Okay, the third secret is the time frame. This practice has shown the best time frame for working with this indicators according to these instructions. For 30 seconds, as you can use right now, 2 minutes. If you choose 5 minutes or more than this, the results is like to be worse. Okay, so it's necessary to pay attention on these things, on the shaft trend cycle, the vortex, and the broke channel on the fractal Chaos bands. 2 minutes, and look at that, $54 when the profits. Excellent results, guys. Look at this. Look at my balance right now. Okay, I keep trading, guys, and as you can see, the trade wasn't profitable for me right now. Yeah, for instance, always happens. The situation is very similar to the first 2 signals, but here everything went against me. This can always happen. There is no problem here, no mistakes, so just bad luck. Okay, if you just follow up all the indicators, all the analysis, as you can see. Okay, that was bad luck. Of course, I have to show an example of a buy trade, but I won't say anything new. I do everything the same way, the same logic, the same analysis. And another piece of bad ways that will try that to show the same situation. Yeah, guys, it's simple. For example, now you can take screenshots of all my trades, and any trade yourself, try to look for something similar. This is the easiest way to practice and gain more experience on it. Okay? You just need to pay attention on the boundaries of the channel when you have green candle, already candle broke that, the vortex crossing line, the shaft trend line, as you can see right here, all these things. So take a screenshot of that and try to use by yourself. Alright? Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. And look at that, guys. My session lasts few minutes, and during the time I earned almost $57 of net profits. I have no doubt that you'll be able to improve your results if you practice. So test this strategy and write your opinion about this matter in the comments. It's very interesting for me. So act right now. I wish you good luck, guys. Wish you good profits, big profits, and wish you good trade sessions. Trading strategy, and see you soon on my YouTube channel and my Telegram group. Have a good day and see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.